Maverick was a part of a big discussion about the chances of new spring sensation Kishane Thompson of winning the 100-meter gold in Paris. One school of thought was that Kishane is a rookie at this level, and with his inexperience, we don't know how he will cope with the pressure. The next school of thought was that Kishane seems to be a tough competitor, and he has in his corner the greatest to have ever done it in Stephen Frano Francis. Plus, when Usain Bolt and Shelley and Fraser Price did it in 2008, they too were inexperienced rookies. So there is no reason why Kishane cannot do it like they did it. The counter to that was, because Bolt and Shelley did it, don't mean Kishane will automatically do it. And we will never know how Kishane will cope with that pressure until the moment comes and he copes with the pressure. And at the end of that elaborate discussion, the Mavericks' conclusion is Kishane will win the gold medal.